Hello there, welcome to I for Talent Help Center. In this tutorial, I will introduce you to competency profiles. Within the talent management area, you see the competency profile which are currently added to your club. In this example, I have already added 4 competency profiles. One of them is defenses. You can choose to expand each of them by clicking on the arrow. You can edit by clicking on the edit button, or you can delete by clicking on the delete button. If you want to add a new competency profile, then click Add New Record. Here you can type in name of the competency profile. That could be a striker. You can choose position. That's optional. But here I will choose a striker. You can describe a role. Could be a goal scorer. And then you just click Insert. Now you will see the added competency profile, striker, in the bottom. If you want to view details and skills on a specific competency profile, simply click on the arrow as illustrated with defenders. In this given example, you see details and skills for defenders. Notice that the arrow is pointing down. And here, for example, I have long range shots, crossing, scoring chances, and more. All of them is skills I have added to the competency profile. You can also add new skill to existing or new competency profile. Now I will do that with the striker, as I added before. As you see here, I haven't created or added any skills to the profile yet, but I can add new ones if I click Add New Record. In this area, you can select previously created skills or add new ones. Existing skills you see in the list to the left. Here you just select each one you want to use. New skills can be created in the box to the right. Click on the blue bar to expand the area, and then type in skill name. For instance, that could be checkout run. Then describe the skill in details. The ability to find blindside on defender. Choose up to 3 criteria to label your coding template buttons. That could be successful or unsuccessful. Important to understand is that the number of criteria you have set up in your talent bank defines the number of labels on your coding template on your app. Now choose whether this is a defensive or defensive skill. In this case, it will be offensive. Click Add to finish the skill. You will now find the created skill instantly in the bottom of the list to the left. Now you can add it to the competency profile. Here you have it. And then I can select the other skills I want to. That could be offensive, one-on-one, could be key passes, finishing position, finishes, balls into striker's feet, and so on. To finally create the competency profile, click Insert. Now you see all the selected skills added to the profile so far. If you want, you can organize skills in groups. Simply click on the group to rename the group name. In this example, I call the skill sets Offensive Actions. Click Update and see that this skill set is now renamed to Offensive Actions. as you see here. Each of the skills you see here can be categorized with the drop-down bar to the right. The category defines how the skill would be categorized in the profile grid and define the key ability sliders on the app when scouting. So now I can choose between the 4 ones I already have here. You can always put on or change categories on a competency profile. If you want to add or change the category, simply just select another one from the 4 that is defined for your club as illustrated. The important thing to understand is when you put on a category to a skill, you will automatically generate a key ability slider on your app's scouting formula. So for instance, this will be placed under the selected category Physical Abilities. This gives you the opportunity to scout for 100% of the self-defined position characteristics used in your scouting processes. The selected skills and their categories are now position characteristics for the given competency profile, a striker. This was a tutorial for creating a competency profile. Learn how all these skills and categories determines the rating in the player performance grid, also called the 360 degrees overview. You can see all that in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.